It has come to my attention that Roastem and Miles J have been having some confrontations about the Roastem page. An admin has uploaded a picture of Miles J and didn't think it was a real picture, so people later began to comment on the picture, roasting him, which is the whole point of the page, quote unquote, facebook.com/roastem. It was all fun and games, and they said they were sorry for what they did, and you still have to try to get their page shut down? They're just kids having fun. They don't need to go through all this drama, this female stuff. Oh, of course, you are trying to be a female. This is very wrong what they did, but what you did was worse. So now I'm giving you two choices. Delete the videos and posts and accept the apology, or face the consequences. A Facebook page battle you started, a war is what you'll get. We are Bullet Sec. We do not forgive, nor do we not forget. It's your decision.